August Atlin. Matthew Boyd. Sebastian Bruno. Juliana Capretta. Peter Cusick. Nicholas Danielson. Zoe Eliscu. Annie Gelwex.
Walter Jesse. Theodore Lawrence. Juan Lopez. Ryan Lorgy. Riley McSpedden. Patrick Mulgalvin. Faye Okeson. Jason Paris. Matilda Street. Tyler Vanderkamp. And Sasha Barton.
Congratulations to Mrs. Diner's home run. I invite the callers for Mr. Harper's home run to the podium. Please welcome Michael Hardigan and Thor Keener.
Byron Blue. Alexa Muniz. Angus Matt. Abigail Rosie. Tessa Bowen. William Dixon. Nia Dragon-Titus. Constantine Witt. Sophia Farina. Sophia Friestead. Maya Kuha. Colin Hirschley. Dina Hussein and Sonia Johnson.
Ken Callister, Caitlin Kozlowskis, Sophie Litto, Sophia Maldonado, Brooke Nitch, Alyssa Novosel, Mathis Berkey, Bryce O, Jackson Romanoff, James Sennett, and last but not least, Ethan Webb.
Let's give a hand to the callers for Mr. Larson's homeroom to the podium. Please welcome Lola Donnelly and Ellie Kinselberg. Abood Allred. Maya Bolton.
Ella Dixit. Caitlin Fay. Patrick Hyman. Chloe Jacoby. Fallon Katz. Eden Lee. Everson Loxley Leroy. Julia Ludwig. Kelly McKinnon. Kylie McCurdy. Adam Servest.
Let's go Wild!
Daniel Shepard. Oliver Smith. Philip Stogar. Andrew Sung. Sky Long. Leo Wolf. Nicholas Settlemeyer. And Maxwell Zhao.
Congratulations to Mr. Larson's mom. I invite the callers from Ms. Rosine's homeroom to the podium. Please welcome Audrina Harvey and Will Whedon.
Tumi Adejuma. Yessie On. Ahmed Aiden. Morgan Crocker. Jane Curtis. Kathleen Ellis. Uma Guha. Justice Hernandez. Colin Kelly. Cooper Chemnitz.
Justin Miller. Sam Ocon. Alice Pan. Maya Ramon. Trevor Skiles. Lily Tulabian. Samuel Tilley. Sean Yoruba. And Evelina Vandenberg.
Congratulations to Ms. Rosine's homeroom. Well, you did it. Congratulations, Wilmette Junior High School graduating class of 2023. We celebrate you all this evening and we wish you all the best in your next steps. As a reminder to our graduates, please find your homeroom teacher after the ceremony and see them before you leave. Our recessional march this evening is Song of Joy by Ludwig van Beethoven, arranged by Jacques Rizzo and played by our own WJHS band. Please have a safe and wonderful summer. Students in the last row, please rise.